Assertions are something we frequently use during API testing. Here's how to do it in EchoAPI. After clicking Send, it returns details for 2 keyboards. Open the post response, select Add Task, and then choose Assertion. Copy the response JSON and use the JSON path extraction tool to extract the name. Let's start typing. You can see an example expression displayed here. Wrong symbol. Sometimes, money isn't the same, especially when it refuses to be exchanged. Only USD in here. As we type, we notice that EchoAPI displays the expected result right away, making it easy to see what will be returned. Now, with the given syntax, we can retrieve the name of the second product in the list. Copy this expression. We paste the expression into the expression field, select EQ, and verify whether the value of name matches wireless keyboard. Click Send. Open the test results to see that the assertion passed successfully. What happens if we switch wireless keyboard to mechanical RGB keyboard? Let's find out. Are you ready to see a magic trick? Here we go. We see that the assertion fails, because wireless keyboard does not equal to mechanical RGB keyboard. Simple enough to grasp, right? This is an example of a visualized assertion in action. No full script needed.